Here is how to install Equalizer APO in your Windows PC. The first thing that we need to do, of course, is to download the Equalizer APO software itself. And then we're going to have to download a graphic user interface to use the Equalizer APO. I'm going to provide links in the description where you can download these two. But once you're ready, just click download on both of them and wait for them to fully download. There, as you can see on the top right of my screen, the files are already downloading. Once they're done downloading, you should find them under your downloads folder. Now that we see these two files, what we're going to try to do is try to install them into our computer. Just double click it and it should open this installer right here. Let me just close a few windows so that I can give you a clearer view. Okay, now just click next, click I agree, click next again, click next again, and then click install. Now this should be installing the Equalizer APO on our computer. Now when it's done installing, it shows you all these devices that are connected to your computer. Just select the devices that you want to be affected by the Equalizer. I'm just gonna select a few headphones and the speaker of my laptop. Once you're done, just click OK and it should do a check on the devices that you selected. Once you're done, just click OK and click OK. Now that our Equalizer APO has finished installing, let's start to install the graphic user interface. To do that, go to your downloads folder again and open Piece Setup. Once you open Piece Setup, just click install here on the bottom left corner of the window and click yes. Once it is installed, you should find this shortcut on your desktop. Now let's try to open it to see if our Equalizer APO really works. Once you open it, it should pull up this window where you can choose between simple and full. I'll just choose full. And there, as you can see, the Equalizer is up and working. And that's how you install Equalizer APO in Windows 11 for your PC or laptop.